I'm Ben, the time traveler of my time-traveling ottoman. The goal of middle vision is to organize the elements of a visual scene into groups or categories that we then recognize as objects. Paul Cezanne was an early 21st century painter. Paul Cezanne painted this abstract picture of a house which is located in your book on page 80. This abstract picture is recognized by our middle vision to be a house. Located in our early visual system are single cells that react and respond to stimuli such as lines. Okay, so as we view this abstract image, our eyes are drawn to these brown lines. Neurons in the striate cortex of our eyes are responsible for perceiving and recognizing these lines as a house.
Another misconception of perceptual committees is that of accidental viewpoint. Take a gander at my box. Take a look at my box. From your viewpoint, you see a box. From mine, I see a CD case. See? You are sitting in the exact position in order for you to see the CD case, but if you move or it moves, even slightly, then you see a CD case. Therefore, accidental viewpoint, because you are accidentally seeing it exactly as you have to in order to see what isn't really there.
Let us discuss the physiological aspects of recognizing faces. The striate cortex is interested in the basic features of the visual image, such as lines, motion, size, etc. After a visual image is analyzed in the striate cortex, it moves along the extrastriate cortex, where it goes along two pathways, along the temporal lobe and along the parietal lobe, where it is further analyzed. The infotemporal cortex in the temporal lobe contains neurons that are more specified to recognizing faces. Horace Barlow developed a hierarchical model of visual perception, saying that the image viewed go through more and more complex parts of the brain in order to recognize it, eventually leading to a single grandmother cell that recognizing one specific object. Now that we understand the physiological aspects of recognizing faces, let's talk about some clinical issues. Prosopagnosia is a disorder in which people are unable to identify whose face belongs to who. You're making me laugh. They can still tell that they are seeing a face, but they don't know whose it is. It could be their face of their dear grandmother, but they wouldn't know.
We are able to understand that these beautiful Coke can statues are the same size even though they appear to be different sizes. Visual clues such as occlusion tell us that there's one can from the other. Occlusion, also referred to as superposition is when an object blocks the sight of other objects
So weird.